So many people that I talk to about the law of attraction, they always seem to have the same common denominator, which is they were practicing the law of attraction or studying. They tried it out and it just didn't work for them, and they kind of let it go. A lot of people feel like the law of attraction does not work for them. What I want to tell you is the law of attraction is always working. The law of attraction is always working. What you have to understand is most of the time it's working in the background. You feel me? So let's say you're trying to manifest a new job. You're doing your meditations, you're doing your visualizations, you're doing your positive affirmations, you're doing everything that you know of to attract this job. It's been 2-3 weeks, you still have not had any leads, you're staying positive, you're not really doubting yourself, but you just notice that, hey, nothing is happening. What you have to understand is, depending on the way that you attract, like the method that you are using, it may take a little bit longer than you know about. The universe is aligning everything so everything will be perfect for you. You understand? If you want a new job, the universe, for the most part, is not just going to throw you in some horrible job that will have you regretting your decision. The universe is going to throw you in a situation that aligns with who you are. So what you need to understand from that is it takes time for the universe to align all these things to synchronize with who you are, depending on your vibratory state. When I say time, I mean that very relatively. It's different for every single person. For some people, they can manifest in a blink of the eye. It might take them a couple minutes to manifest something. It might take them a few days. It might take them a week. Some people it's going to take longer because of what you're doing, your science, your belief level, and most importantly, your vibratory state. So that's why I tell everyone, you have to stay down with all of this. You can't just say one day, hey, I'm going to go practice the law of attraction and meditate a new car. You have to always stay in the vibratory state of wealth and financial stability and happiness. And then when you go and manifest that, or you say you want to manifest that new car, voila, it pops up almost immediately because you're already in that state. You don't have to get yourself to that state.